Okay. Can you guys see my screen now? Yeah, I don't aware of that I'm not sharing the screen. Can you guys see the screen now? Okay. Yes. So we need to get added with the Jenkins. Jenkins is another, it's like a deployment. Okay. That is different. Why? Because we are not using. The reason for that is Azure. Okay. DevOps is a similar tool for them. But no worries, I'll be showing the Jenkins also for that. Okay. And then one template we'll be learning that is called a Jam template. Correct me. Is this the right thing, buddy? Every one of you? Manoj, Lokesh, Aniket, every one of you. Right? Lokesh, Shavant, Naveen, every one of you, right? Javeer, right here? Fine. So let's make a note of this picture. This is the almost done. We are waiting for that file. I'll just try to get in that free time today after your batch. Evening batch anyway, I'm canceling it. I'm not taking up the evening class today because I cannot stretch again morning and evening also. Slowly I need to come up, otherwise it will again take time, right? So I will be working with the evening time free. I'll just try to go and get the files. Okay. Then PowerShell, it takes 2 days of time minimum, 3 days of time minimum. Okay, because I will be going very slow in the PowerShell. Okay, the basics will take 1 day, VNet 1 day, Jenkins 1 day, ARM template 1 day. So most probably you can treat that the next week would be your last session, and next week we'll have your weekend session also. This week I'll not be able to take the weekend because I cannot stretch also yet. Okay. So next week we'll have a definitely the weekend session will be there for you guys. So let's try to go ahead with the PowerShell first, right? Out of these all topic, this is the topic that is very important that you have to do it out. In that PowerShell, actually, we have multiple things to do it there. You have a resource group to create, you have a subscription to create, you have a app services to create. Okay, we have app services to create, we have virtual network, virtual uh, machine to get many more. You can do it out. Okay, at least two will be doing it. We'll be doing the resource group subscription, or one more will take app services or virtual machine, anything based on your choice. We'll take one more item as a virtual machine. Resource group will take. We'll do today the resource group things. Okay, and the subscription things we'll do it today. App services virtual machine we'll do tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, so this week, tomorrow till tomorrow, and actually, or this weekend, we'll try to be there on the PowerShell only. Next week, when we are joining it after the Ganesh Chaturthi, I hope it's Monday, Tuesday is a holiday. Okay, for your Ganesh Chaturthi. So when you are connecting on Tuesday or Wednesday, whenever we are connecting it out, we would be completing up the Ansible. Okay, VNet, Jenkins, and all. So please be rest assured that you have to be there in that next weekend. 23rd and 24th would be your session. That is for sure. There is no doubt at all. You have a working session on 23rd and 24th. Okay, there is no holiday on those days. That too, one day will be coming up with what is that interview preparations, and one day will be coming up that resume preparation on that. Okay, so let me take you to PowerShell first. Okay, PowerShell. I'll be going very slowly in that, buddy. Take care. Okay, and understand. So first thing is, what do you mean by PowerShell? Okay, so first and very simple thing is why PowerShell. Okay, if you remember that in your previous sessions when we are trying to, if you remember your previous sessions, okay, when we were trying to understand the PowerShell, so what is that PowerShell basically is? So basically the PowerShell for Azure, it is different like the PowerShell of the scripting here. Okay. The PowerShell of the script is different from as compared to the PowerShell of your scripting guys. Okay. This is something the PowerShell that you are learning it for the Microsoft Team sites. Okay. And the main thing is that you have to know the PowerShell with the Microsoft documentation, guys. Okay, the main thing is you need to know the Microsoft documentation, what is the PowerShell and all. So they have a proper documentation so that you can follow it out. And I have already taken the list of that PowerShell tool that you are using it out for the things. I'm like Azure DevOps. Okay. So let's try to understand. Okay, so what is basically the PowerShell is? What is a PowerShell script it is? Okay, what is the example of PowerShell we have? So the small things that we'll try to understand first here. Okay, so guys, if someone is telling you the PowerShell, okay, so what is that PowerShell? Guys, PowerShell is nothing but a scripting language. Okay, basically PowerShell is nothing but it's a type of scripting language only. Okay, so which help us to write some thing. Okay, I'll just show you that you'll come to know, don't worry. So let's see that. Shell. Azure basically PowerShell is designed for the management and okay, and we are using the command line or using the scripting based on the command line using the scripting. You are right, Manoj. So basically Azure PowerShell is designed for the management and administration or administering, okay, the Azure services, okay, from the command prompt. Command means basically like, what we are doing with the UI in the Azure services, same thing we'll be doing with the help of the command prompt. That is the PowerShell basically. We'll do it one by one. We'll go slowly. We'll learn it out. What are the roles that we are performing? What are the action that we can perform? That we all learn it out. But someone tells you the definition to give it out. You should be giving that Azure PowerShell is designed for management and administration the Azure services from the command prompt. Okay, from the command line or command prompt, anything is fine. Okay, so use of Azure PowerShell when you wanted to build automated tool. Okay, that uses the Azure resources. Azure. So guys, simple thing is guys, nothing is there. No need to stress too much on that. Okay, very simple is that if you wanted to go ahead and you wanted to run your PowerShell, nothing is there. It's a PowerShell is a design or scripting language will perform the activity of what you are doing it through the UI. I'll tell you one thing, guys. Okay, let's see. You are going to the portal. Okay, you are going to the portal, right? You are going to the portal. So if you are going to the portal naveentrainingazure.hyderabad.com, if you're coming over there, okay, so as soon as you're coming over there in the naveentraininghyderabad.com, you're coming up, okay? So when you're coming to this here and you're going to your Naveen page subscription. So let's see, you wanted to check your subscription, how check your resource group. Okay, so let's see, you wanted to check your resource group. So what you are doing it, you are typing as a resource group, clicking it here, you are getting the list of resource group here. Okay, no? Yes or no, folks? You're doing it manually, right? That you are trying to get it from the manually, you are doing it out. Same task you guys able to do it out with the help of PowerShell with a single line of command. Let's see, you wanted to do it with the help, you wanted to go to your home page. Here, this page you wanted to go. let's see, you wanted to, okay, get the subscription. How many subscription are there? So what you are doing it, you're going to your home page, you're clicking on the subscription, you're clicking on the subscription, you're getting the list of the subscription, isn't it? Right? So you are getting this list of the subscription from there. So these all manual effort that you are doing it, step by step procedure you are doing it out. These all need to be removed out with the help of the PowerShell, guys. That with the help of the PowerShell, you could able to come out of this all situation, guys. Let me tell you one thing. Let's see, you wanted to create another resource group. So if you're going and clicking on here, you're going and click on the resource group, and you wanted to click on the create resource group. Okay, you wanted to give the list of the resource group name. Let's say I'm giving as a hello world. I'm giving as a hello world. What you are giving it? You're giving as a hello world. So you're giving as a hello world. Okay. When you're giving as a hello world, now in the after hello world, you are choosing that resource group detail, right? So what service center, sorry, what data center you are using it, that's the reason you're using it, right? That you're using, people are using it, okay? So let's say I'm using this one. You just go to the tag space. So whatever the pages that you are moving it, right? So you're just going with the UI part. The same thing we can able to do with the help of the PowerShell. That's what PowerShell is called as a scripting tool, or it is used or helpful for the automation purpose. Okay. That's why people are telling that automation is a PowerShell is a very powerful tool. It's not just going with the resource group, buddy. We have lots of example. I have a very good collection. Okay, I have a very good collection of the commands that I can go walk through with you in some time. Okay, so we can able to walk through with multiple commands based on that commands only. Okay, let's see that. I'm going to my home page. Okay, I have a list of resource group. I'll go to my resource. Let's see, I have a resource of group of called as Accenture, or let's say I have a resource group of Accenture. I have a resource group of Accenture user one. So let's see, I want you to delete that, okay? So I'll just select that. I'll just click on the delete over here, right? So I'll go back to here. I'll go back and try to click on the delete resource group. So if you go and click on the delete resource group, you have all the thing that you can delete that resource group. Okay. So that you can able to do it out. It's your choice for that. Okay. So these all things we are doing it manually. Okay. It's all we need the manual effort. We need to go, we need to select it out. It's a time taking for that. For that all solution, we are having it with the PowerShell. Let me give one more example to you. Let's see, I wanted to create a very simple subscription or resource group. Resource group I wanted. No, I wanted to create a app services. So anything you are just typing about the app services, you're clicking on the app services. So either we are going with the app services, guys, or virtual machine, anything you can, one more services will create. We'll create the resource group, or we'll choose either resource group creation, or we'll choose as app services, or we'll choose as a virtual machine. Anything we can choose it out today. Okay. Let's click on the create here. Click here. Web app here. Okay. So you have to give this. So it's a time taking process. It's the time taking and processing spaces are there, right? Right? No, it's a time taking one here, right? So what happens, like, instead of avoiding these very simple steps that we can follow up with the help of the PowerShell. Now let's see how we will and you will come to know how we'll implement the PowerShell. For that PowerShell, guys, I have some document with me. So let me give that document to you real quick. Okay, yes. So you can able to visit to this page. Let me give in the chat box straight away to you. So this is the chat box. Let me give the chat box. This also. Every one of you, please save this URL from what I'm trying to give it to you. Can you just everyone try to visit to the URL? This URL is valid. Are you able to access this URL? Every one of you. We'll do parallelly. We'll go parallelly. Okay. No need to wait for again practice. Do it parallelly. Stay like parallel to me itself. Every one of you, please do it parallel to me itself, buddy. Okay. No need to wait for more time. Just try to follow the step by step what we are doing it out. So first confirm me whether everyone is able to access this link that what I was shared to you. If someone confirm me, then we can move ahead. Okay, very good guys. So please try to follow that. Why this is used? So let's come down here. What it says that, buddy, welcome to the PowerShell reference guide. Okay, so this is your kind of reference guide. Okay, so it's a no, it's an you can say this as a notes or anything your choice. Okay. So welcome to the PowerShell reference guide. This is the provided for PowerShell no training and this all that's fine. Let's come down. Cheat sheet will give you the Microsoft Azure PowerShell command with examples. Each section covers you one set of example for the PowerShell mode, like title, command, basics, and example. Everything will give you the example. Title, what is the title for that? What is the command for that? And what is the basics actions we are performing it out? And what is the example that we would be doing it out? Okay. What would be the example that I would be doing it out? For the point. So these all 4 points will be explained in every example, next example, whatever we are taking it out. Okay. So example is assume that let's come down. Okay. See, basically Azure have a capacity, PowerShell has the capacities to deal with these all areas. Okay. So in that, which has a number of tutorials and different things are there. So basically downloading the PowerShell is the main thing. Then account, subscription, resource group, governance, storage. Okay, virtual machine. So I here will do at least 2 or 3. Resource group will see one. We'll do one storage. We'll do one app services or like virtual machine. Anything we'll do it out. Okay. So let's see. The very first area Azure account is. So if you go with the Azure account, these all things that you have to come up. So the main point is here to see. We'll go with the first one. So if we wanted to deal with the section of Azure account, we have first one log into the Azure account. So if someone wanted to log in, since already everyone is logging into here. Let me log in here. Okay. So guys, I have a question in mind. Okay, you have to answer me the question. See, this is the Azure account is login. It's not needed because I already logged in. Okay, so no need to log in with that. I'll go with the second one. Logout is different thing. Third one I'll go. This is related to the subscription. So list all the subscription in all the tenant account can access. I wanted to access all the subscription. Okay, that I wanted to access. But where to run it? Can someone suggest me where I can run it? Run these things. Where I can run that? Who can tell me that? Where should I run that? Shall I run with the Git bash or where I should run that? Yes, we have an option for that. Very good, Manoj. Others? Visual Studio. Okay. See, buddy, you have a different option. If you wanted to run a separate tool for that, yes, you are most welcome. You can go and you can create a separate tool. I mean, like, install a separate tool and run it out. It's not a problem at all. But I'll suggest don't take too much of a stress. Okay, we have Cloud Shell, right? We have a Cloud Shell, no? Manoj and team, right? We have a Cloud Shell for that, right? So yes, we have an option for the Cloud Shell. So let's try to follow that same. We have option of flight Cloud Shell. Click on the Cloud Shell. What I wanted to go, PowerShell or Bash. This time I'll go with the PowerShell here, right? Because I want you to go with the PowerShell, no? So click on the PowerShell. See, right now we don't have any storage account. We have to create it, guys. Okay, first time we are doing it, right? That's why. Okay. So requesting a Cloud Shell succeeded, connecting to the terminal. Let it get connected up automatically. Let it get connected automatically here. Can you observe it? It said that yes, I have connected. So if you wanted to register with the Cloud Shell and other things that you can able to register, if you, that's that's up to you. Okay, that's fine. So next thing is what I need to do. I will be going ahead with the get the list of the account, right? For subscription account, I want you to get it, no? So let's close this. What is that thing? Get the AG subscription. So he actually copy symbol will be there. Just click on it. Try to go here. Okay. And if you want, you can scroll bit up also here. Okay. So right click it and paste it out. What happened? I'm not able to do it out here. 1 minute. Paste it out. So see, this is automatically it is coming up, buddy. Okay. It says that as soon as you're writing the get easy, no. So it says that what you want. After that, there is option of subscription ID. If you want you to get a detail of this particular subscription ID, you have option of this. Please enter these all. But I don't want. I want all the subscriptions. So enter that. Can you observe it out? How many subscription I have it? Folks, observe it, please. How many subscription I have it? So I have. So I have that option to go ahead and do it out, right? I have that option of to go ahead and do it out, right? So can you observe it out here? Okay, Naveen pay as you go. This is the subscription name I'm having it. This is the tenant I'm using it, and the state is enabled. So like that, we will able to go and do it out others also. Yes. Let's see. Come down. Okay, so now list the specific. So now let's see, get the AG subscription, and if you wanted to get in the tenant ID, particular tenant ID, if you want to get that, also you can write it out here. That is their option for you. Simple. So we have multiple tenant node here. So do you remember that if there is a question that I was asking it, whether one subscription is valid for all the tenant or one tenant, one subscription, only one tenant, but one tenant, multiple subscription. Do you remember that? Do you remember the question that is still, do you remember the question, interview question that I asked you a few time back? So let me write it out here. So one subscription is valid in one tenant only. But one tenant can have multiple subscriptions. That you guys know this, right? This is the interview question, guys. Okay, right? No. So if some tenant, let's say that I'm talking about the Apollo 19. The current tenant is Apollo 19, right? The current tenant for me would be the Apollo 19 tenant here. So Apollo 19 tenant, if I'm using it out, I have only one subscription. But what if for some case we have multiple subscription? In that case, you have this command to use. What command to use? This command. Right? Paste. So what you have to do, buddy, here? Here is the subscription ID and tenant ID. Let's see. This is my tenant ID, right? So I'll try to copy the tenant ID here. This is the tenant ID for the Apollo, no? So let's copy this tenant ID from here. Right click, copy, and give the list here. Same list I'll give to here. Anyway, I have only one subscription. That's why we'll get only one here. But in case if we have multiple, we'll get a multiple. Did you observe it, right? Shall I click on the hit? Can I click on the hit button right here, everyone? Come on. If we go with this option, I should be able to get that. Right? If the same tenant Apollo 19 might have a 10 subscription, I would be getting the 10 different subscription days. Okay, it depends, right? Since we are using that practice purpose, right? In real time, it might be the case, might be the different. Okay. Okay, let's come to the another example now. What is the another example is? So you have got this point, you have got this point. Okay, come down. Okay, subscription that if you wanted to choose a particular subscription ID. Okay, let's go with the resource group now, the interesting one. Okay, so that I've shown if you wanted to see all the list of the resource group, what you're doing it, you're going to your home page. Okay, you're going to your home page, you're just clicking on the all resource group, and then it is moving ahead here. Right, you're going to the screen page, you're clicking on the all resource group, and you're going to you're moving to the next page, guys. Okay, you're going to the next page now. Same thing how that we are moving that time. Here also we have to move the same way, buddy. Now also we have to move with the same ways, buddy, right? Got the point, team, right? Same thing here also we have to do it here. Okay, fine, guys. So let's try to follow the same thing again. So we'll try to get all the resource group, right? So copy with this, go back to resource groups, click it here. See guys, all documented, nothing, no need to go with any extra thing. Everything is step and everything is mentioned over there in the that page only. Enter it out. Can you see guys how many list of resources are there? We have multiple resources there. You know that, right? Can you see? These many resource groups I have it. So can you do it till this point? We are doing the same new then why this command we are doing the same. Hey Ganesh, you're right. You're already doing it with the help of UI, but the thing is no. So what happened? It makes your work easier. Okay, it makes your work easier, Ganesh. Okay, instead of seeing it and manually write, it'll be easy for you to see. If you're doing the same task with this single line of comment, which one is better here? It's better with the go with the single line, right? See, we have a GitHub UI also. Then why we are using the Azure repo? why people are using it as a like as a git no like git bash. That's the reason for comfortability purpose, man. Okay, whenever you are using automation purpose, we are not going to do and do it one more time. You'll come to know, don't worry. When you're creating a resource group, no, you'll come to know, don't worry. Can we complete this till this point, guys? Every one of you, at least complete till this point. I'll wait for you guys. Perfect, Lokesh. Perfect, Ganesh. Others, please complete it out quickly. I can see only two guys have done it so far. Perfect, Shavant. Very good. Manoj, Javi, thank you. Chandrasekhar, I don't have idea at all, Chandrasekhar, whether we will be getting it or not. Try to check with your folks, no? Maybe Manoj, Lokesh, or Shavant or Javir can help you on that. Recording, they are not providing it since Chandrasekhar. I mean, like, recording is not my hand. You just check with the Manoj and other guys. They can help you out in terms of understanding or anything. Please check with them. You're right, Aniket. Thank you. Come on, guys. We'll move ahead with now we'll create another resource group. Okay, can we move to the next thing now? Okay, I think everyone might have done it out. Right, so let's go to the next one. What we have seen, that we have seen retrieve all the different resource group, right? We have seen it. Now let's see if I wanted to see only the specific, some specific resource group I wanted to target. Okay, I wanted to look into that some specific resource group. So what you need to go copy that. Okay, after copying, go back here and let's see, I wanted to, I'll come down here. I'll just go back with this example. So right click here. I wanted to give the resource group name. I know that I used to do always Naveen training. Okay. So I wanted to get information on that. So Naveen training. Okay. I think spelling is right. Naveen training, I used to do it. So let's come out and try to get into that. So when it is I mean, like, when not, I mean to say that which particular location it has been created, this all will come. Got the point. So now let's try to go and understand how to create the resource group. So we have seen this. Now we'll try to see how to create a resource group and how to delete the resource group. That we'll see for this today. So let's go back to here and we'll go with the specific name. We already have seen it, right? Let's come down. Production is not needed for us. Okay. If you want to see some location that you can see it, that's not needed. Okay. Let me go back and create a resource group. Okay, create resource group. Okay, how to create it, we'll see. So this is the command line that we are doing it seems. Okay, new resource group, the name, they create new resource group. Okay, enter the create resource group. You called it now, this is whatever it is coming up. Okay, that is fine. So let's copy this and try to see in that notepad first. What is the resource group command name? This is the command name. First is new AG resource group. You wanted to create new resource group. What resource group you wanted to create? What should I use, man? Shall I use HTUS? Let me give HTUS. Okay. My choice. Anything you can want. If you wanted to use a HTUS to anything you wanted to use China or anywhere, you can write anything. Your choice. Okay. Just use that HTUS. No, pardon me. This is that resource group name, buddy. Okay. So I'm writing is a PowerShell resource group. One. Okay. What is the resource group name? PowerShell resource group 1. What is the location? Here is a West Europe, right? I'll change it to West US or East US. East US. And this is for just comment here. Okay. This is a comment. It says that this I'm using this for my comment purpose. All right. So this is for just a comment. Okay. Your choice. You can write up till here only. Can I copy this? Okay. Go back to your Cloud Shell here. Go back to your Cloud Shell. Just come here. Right here. Right click. Paste it. Again, what is the name? AZ resource group. See, here you guys are using get. Get means I want you to get from the list of that you are having it. Okay. And new means you are creating a new. What are the location? US to US. Let's come into that. Can you observe it? What it came? What response you got it? It says that the provisioning status has become succeeded. That means I have got the list of PowerShell. So let me go back and try to get the list of the resource group. Okay, this is to get the list of the resource group, right? Get AG resource group, enter it. Can you see whether I have my resource group created? Yes. Just now we created this, no? Folks, yes or no, guys? This is that resource group just now we created, and the list are there in that things. Can you also quickly go and create it, my dear friends? Every one of you. Please, every one of you, go ahead and create a new resource group real quick. Please go ahead and create a new resource group real quick. You just give the resource name anything and give the correct what is that location name. If you're giving the wrong location name, it will not come. Create it quickly, dear. Create it quickly, my dear friends. Okay. So after creating it, yeah. Okay. So I think everyone have done. I think only Savant, Manoj, Abhay, Jitender only have done it. What are other folks? Come on, quickly, let's do it. Guys, I think it's completed, right? Right. So let's go with the yes. Is the location mandatory? Yes, Shawant, it's mandatory. If you're not giving the location, which location you will be showing your like resource group? That would be the mandatory step, Shawant. Okay, fine. So let's go with the delete on option. Okay. So delete option is there for you. You have this option for here. Let's come back here. Okay. So the move the resource group to new. Okay, this is for new resource group. Okay, let's see for the delete one. Okay, come on here. Like we have multiple options that you can verify it out. I'll go with the delete one. Let's come here slowly. Only thing is will be remove. That's it. Many more are there, buddy. Okay. So this is all for creation only, getting that resource group only. Okay. So this is the retrieving one. Delete resource group what? Delete resource group simple. Just remove it. Click it here. I just missed it where it is. Just remove it. Okay. Come back to your text here page. Come it here. Right click here. Paste it. Remove. So which resource group you want it removed here? I just now created one. No. Powershell RG1. Okay. So we'll make a note of that. Power cell RG1. Okay, I want to delete this, right? So let's delete it. So it says whether are you really wanted to go with this? So yes, default is yes. I want to delete it. Yes. Enter it. It's taking some time, but it'll get deleted here. Okay. So you guys just give a try on this. Tomorrow the pending topic, whatever we have it in this PowerShell, that will be doing it here. Yes, I got it, Uma. Okay. Tomorrow we'll try to what do that? We'll try to just go with the pending one. Pending ones we'll see only one storage account we'll see. One will see app services. One will see if possible virtual machine. That's it. Okay. I'm dropping up, guys. Take care. We'll meet again tomorrow by same time 9 o'clock, guys. Take care, guys. Online only. Next week mid if I'm feel better. I mean like there's no weekends, then I can try to come to office. Okay. We'll be completing it next week, Naveen. Let me come to the office. Will it okay? Let it do that offline, Naveen. If not, then I'll do it the offline also. Online also, it's not a problem. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. No. Session would be of online only, dear. I'm not in. No. Lokesh, I'm not in position to come down. I can sit hardly for 1 hour, like sit, not more than that. And walking is very difficult for me now. So maybe slowly next week mid I'll start coming to the office. Okay, sure. Thank you.